I'm Max Dalton, and in this video, I'll show you how to turn off album artwork in Apple CarPlay. Step 1. Tap Settings in your list of CarPlay apps. Step 2. Tap Display in this menu. Step 3. Tap to toggle off Show Album Art in Now Playing. The next time you connect your iPhone to your car, you will see generic placeholders or text descriptions instead of the full album art. If you ever change your mind and want the visuals back, you can easily return to this exact same menu in Apple CarPlay and toggle the Show Album Art in Now Playing switch back to the on position. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.